Ever wondered what makes your favorite apps like Netflix, YouTube, even Android run flawlessly? That's the Java, the hidden force driving the tech you use every day. Whether you dream of building apps, landing high paying tech jobs, or just starting your coding journey, learning Java opens doors everywhere. In this beginner friendly guide, I will show you why Java remains the top choice for new programmers and how you can start mastering it today. Ready to future proof your career? So let us dive in. In 2025, Java remains one of the most in-demand programming languages, powering everything from web to enterprise system to Android mobile apps to banking systems, and used by many big companies like Netflix and YouTube, and trusted by tech giants like Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. Now let us understand why we should learn Java. So Java is one of the most in-demand programming language in the world, powering everything from Android apps to banking system to large-scale enterprise platforms. It's the most stable, mature and versatile. This language powers a vast range of applications from web, enterprise system to Android mobile apps, so making it highly versatile and relevant across industries. It's a platform independent. Java runs on the JVM, which makes it platform independent. Like write once, run anywhere, so you can build applications that work on any system. It has massive global community and rich ecosystem. Like Java boasts a massive global community with full of libraries, frameworks and resources, providing strong support for learners and professionals and experienced ones. And finally, it has a long-term career growth. Top companies like Google, Amazon, Netflix and JP Morgan rely on Java, making it one of the best language for job security and long-term career growth. If you have chosen Java as a programming language, then your long-term career will be more secure, because as your experience grows like 10 plus or 15 or even 20, you will find huge opportunity, because Java is getting widely used across industries and millions of projects are run in Java. Now finally, it's time to understand what is Java. So Java is a powerful platform independent programming language and computing platform designed to enable developers to create highly secure, scalable and efficient applications. Like Java is a high level general purpose object oriented programming language designed to be a platform independent, following the principles of write once and run anywhere. So this means that Java code once compiled into the bytecode can run on any device equipped with Java virtual machine. Like when we create our Java file with extension .java, we can use the JavaC compiler. With that, it will create a class file which will contain the bytecode, and after that we can run the class file using the Java interpreter, which is a Java. Next, its syntax is similar to C and C++. Java is full of features. These are some important notable features like automatic memory management, we call it as a garbage collection, multi-threading, strong security and robustness through exception handling and runtime checks. With this, I hope you must have understood what is Java and why it is so important and is getting used everywhere. You know that any language will not become popular overnight. It has to go through the evaluation process. It has to upgrade its libraries, frameworks and even come up with new releases with new features. And in short, like it has a history of evaluation, how that language has evolved over the period of time, and Java is not an exception to that process. Java has its own history. So let us understand what is the history of Java. Originally developed by James Gosling at Sun Microsystems and released in 1995. So Java has become one of the most popular programming languages worldwide, powering applications ranging from mobile apps, desktop, web servers, enterprise applications, big data, cloud computing, AI and IoT devices. So Java is maintained and developed under the stewardship of Oracle Corporation with open source implementations like OpenJDK. So this is about the history of Java. I hope you must have enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching this.